Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at our Dunham Investment Committee's allocation decisions and insights for the third quarter of 2024. Amid a shifting financial landscape, there have been some meaningful changes. Let's dive in to how the Investment Committee has navigated these challenges. This quarter, our Investment Committee conducted an in-depth analysis of the economy, markets, monetary policy, and geopolitics. A continuing trend from the last quarter is the Federal Reserve's signal that the tightening cycle might be over, with potential interest rate cuts in 2024 and 2025. The Fed is cautiously optimistic that the worst of inflation is behind us as prices begin to cool. However, it maintains that more progress in reducing prices is needed before considering rate cuts. Both asset prices and the labor market have shown resilience, which generally reduces the urgency for the Fed to make rate cuts, thus creating uncertainty about the Fed's next moves. The Investment Committee also agreed that the remainder of 2024 could be particularly volatile, especially in certain sectors, due to the upcoming presidential election. Let's take a closer look at their decisions and insights. Beginning with the Dunham Core Equity portfolio, there was a continued shift from large-cap growth, which outperformed well in the first half of 2024, to the relatively underpriced small-cap value space. Because of this, the Investment Committee seized the opportunity to boost allocations in the Dunham Small Cap Value Fund, while scaling back from the Dunham-focused Large Cap Growth Fund and the Dunham U.S. Enhanced Market Fund. In essence, the committee decided it was more opportunistic to sell large-cap growth into strength and rebalance into small-cap value, which they believe hosts many undervalued strong companies. On the back of these changes, the Dunham Core U.S. portfolio was notably impacted, as you will see in our allocation charts towards the end of the video. They also allocated more to the Dunham Dynamic Macro Fund to leverage its flexible long-short strategy amid any global market volatility. Because of this, the Dunham Core Alternative portfolio has also been notably impacted. In contrast, the Dunham Core Foreign portfolio experienced only minor changes, shifting from developed to emerging market allocations. Meanwhile, regarding the Dunham Core Fixed Income portfolio, the Investment Committee strategically extended duration over the past year in anticipation of potential Fed interest rate cuts. The committee also sought to leverage the favorable merger arbitrage spreads amidst heightened political scrutiny, therefore increasing allocation into the Dunham Monthly Distribution Fund. To balance this, they reduced exposure in the Dunham Long-Short Credit Fund, reflecting its robust performance in the first half of 2024. Overall, the Investment Committee is pleased with the balance between duration, yield, and credit risk in the current Dunham Core Fixed Income allocation. In contrast, the Dunham Core Fixed Light portfolio saw only minor adjustments. This concludes our third quarter behind the scenes for 2024. We now invite you to view the following slides that showcase the latest allocations and changes in all Dunham portfolios. And learn more about our innovative overlay strategy, Dunham DC, where we buy fear and sell greed. Contact our business development team for details on this revolutionary approach. From all of us at Dunham, we wish you a happy 4th of July and the rest of your summer. See you next quarter.